it's the result of a test repeated a number of times. I ask you, how you doing today? You might answer, I'm good, not so good, I'm fine, I'm great, I'm sick. You know, those are all answers to that question. The question, the question is the question asked is what I'm interested in. The variable is the answer, and each actual answer is a data or a datum. Okay, let's look the result of a test. I give a test, and when I put those test scores in my book, that column called test 4 is a variable. That's the label. Test 4 is the label for the variable, and all the particular scores going down the row, those are the results. Those are the data. Okay, it's the roll of a dice or the turn of a card. I roll a dice, and I get a 5. I wish I had a dice with me, but I don't. The 5 is a data or datum, the actual rolling of the dice. If I have a column, if I'm collecting this, I have a column or I have a little sheet, I would call the variable roll of die. Roll of die. There you go. A variable is the designation of a set of known or yet unknown outcomes. It's not the actual outcomes, it's the designation of the set. So the score, the answer, the roll, the value of the roll, the suit of the card, or the number on the card, or whatever. Okay, and the data is the actual results. They are the values that the variables might assume. Okay, so when I ask you the variable is the answer to the question, how are you doing? The variable might assume good. That was your data. It might assume bad. That's another person's data. It might assume not well. You know, that's another person's datum, I should say. Singly, data values or datums. Plurally, we call it a data set or collection of data. Random variables. Variables whose value is determined by chance. A variable whose value is determined by chance. Examples: roll of a die, turn of a card. Did you get in an accident this year? Well, there's a chance that you might. So we could say, if I ask that to enough people, that is a random variable because it's determined by chance. Let me stop here and I'll come back to these in a moment.